Hello friend, today's my presentation topic is the theme of the Westland in the paper number 9, the modernist English literature. About the T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot is one of the major poet of the modern age in English literature. He has written greatest poem in 20th century. His influence have been very great on English poetry. He uses the different languages like effectively to communicate the predicament of modern world and modern men. The Westland is considered one of the most important poetic document of the age. It expresses poignantly a disparate sense of the poet he and the age lacks of positive spiritual thinking. The first hymn of the Westland, death. Two of the poem section, the burial of the death and death by water, refer specially to this theme. What complicate matter is that death can mean life. In other words, by dying, a being can pave the way for a new lives. Eliot asks his friend Stanton that scoff you planted last year in your garden, has it is been sprout? Will it bloom it in this year? Similarly, Christ by dying redeemed humanity and thereby gave a new life. The ambiguous spaces between life and death find an echo in frequent allusion to Dante, particularly in the limbo-like vision of the man flowing across London Bridge and through the modern city. Rebirth. The Christ imaging in the poem, along with the many other religious metaphor, posit rebirth and resurrections as the central theme. The Westland life fellow and the Fisher King is important. What is needed in a new beginning? Water, for one, can bring about the rebirth, but it can also destroy what the poet must finally turn to in heaven in the climatic accents with the sky. Datta, Dayadvam, and Daimata. Eliot's visions is essential of a world that is neither dying nor living. To break the spell and profound sense, perhaps in ineffable one is required. Hence, the prevalence of grey misery in the poem that Holy Chalice can restore life and wipe the slate clean. Likewise, Eliot refer frequently to baptism and to river, both life giver in either spiritual or physical way. The theme of the season. The wasteland opened with an invocation of April, the cruelest month. That spring be depicted and as cruel is curious choice on Eliot's part, but as a paradox in the inform the rest of the poem to a great degree. What bring life bring also death. Season fluctuate spinning from one state to another, but like history the maintain some short of static. Not everything changes in the end. Eliot's wasteland is almost seasonless, devoid of rain, of propagations of real sense. The world hang in a perpetually limbo, awaiting to down a new season. The theme of the lust. Perhaps the most famous episode in the Westland involved a female typist liaisons with a carbonicular man. Eliot depicts scene as something akin to rape. This sans sexual encounter carry with it mythological baggage. The violated Philomela to blind Tarsius, who lived for a time as a woman. Sexuality run through the Westland, taking center stage as cause of calamity in the fire sermon. Nonetheless, Eliot defend a moment, surrender as a part existent in what the thunder said. Lust may be is seen, and sex may be too easy and too rampant in the Eliot's London. But action is still preferable in actions. What is needed in sex that produce life, that rejuvenate, that restore sex. In other words, that is not sterile. The theme of the love. The reference the Tritian on isolate in the burial of the death to Cleopatra in a game of chess and to the story of Tarsus and Philomela suggest that love in the Westland is often destructive. Tritons and Cleopatra dies, while Tarsus rape Philomela, and even the love for the Hanchik girls leads the poet to see and know nothing. The theme of the water. The waterland located the wasteland lacks water promises rebirth at that same time. However, water can bring about death. Iliad is the card of the drowned Phoenician sailor and later titled the fourth section of his poem after Madame Sosostris made it that he feared death by water. When the rain finally arrived at the close of the poem, it does suggest the cleaning of sins, the washing away or misdeed and the start a new future. However, with it is comes thunder and therefore perhaps lighting. The latter my portion fire. Thus the fire sermon and what the thunder said are not so far removed imagery linked by the potential harmful forces of nature. The theme of the history. History Iliad suggests it a repeating cycle when he also to a station the Punic War stand in for a World War One. This substitution is the crucial because it is shocking. At the time Iliad wrote the Westland, the First World War was definitely us first. The Great World War for those who had witnessed it. There had been none of compare with it in the history. The predominant sensibility was one of the profound sense. The World War had been turned upside and down. Now, with the rapid progress of technology, the movement of society, and the radical unveiling in the arts, science, and philosophy, the history of mankind had reached a turning point. Eliot revised this thesis and argued that the more things sensing, the more they stay and the same. A link source did affair between a typist and a young man to Sophocles via the figure of Tirith. He replaced a line from the Marvel to call his mistress with the sound of horn and motors. He invoked Dante upon the modern May, London Bridge bustling with commuter traffic. He noticed the Ionian column of a bar of a lower Thames Street steam with the fishermen. Thank you.